I'm Ayub and today we are back with the how to make chicken shate in Bengali style. So let's begin. So this is the sticks we are preparing. You have to prepare it like this. Take one stick like this and you have to sharpen one end.
When it will sharp, it will look like
This. See.
to look like this.
So we have to make it at least 30 to 50 like this.
How many you will do chicken satay? How many pieces? And do it carefully. Don't cut your hands. Then we go to some process.
Chicken piece by piece, and it should be marinated
And boneless.
boneless small piece with boneless chicken. It should be marinated with turmeric, salt, and a little bit mustard oil and yogurt. Then tomato paste, tomato puree, ginger paste, garlic paste, and potato paste, and onion paste, and then capsicum should be pieced like this. Onion should be pieced like this. So there you stop.
Prepare onions like this.
Like this.
2, 3,
Like this.
4. Like this.
Stop now.
It will look like this.
Marinating chicken.
See, it will look like this.
Boneless chicken.
After putting capsicum, onion, and chicken into the sticks, it will look like this.
So guys, this is the tomato paste, garlic paste, and this is the marinated chicken. Now we will mix it. So guys, we have done ginger paste.
Not yet done.
Again with the tomato, garlic, and marinated chicken, we are adding ginger paste. Now we will mix it with hands. The chicken has become very hard due to ice.
Due to deep freezing.
It is looking like pizza. So guys, before marinating chicken, we recommend you to keep the chicken outside for at least 30 minutes. It smell and add our pieced capsicum and onions. Now we are giving beson.
Chana besan.
In Bengali we call it beson.
Cholar daler besan.
And now we will mix it. Now we will add a small quantity of baking soda to the besan to make it crunchy. Now we will giving 1 teaspoon
Salt to
salt.
make it tasty. অত না আচ্ছা দিয়ে দে ব্যাস একটু হলুদ দে আমাদের
And giving some turmeric.
And one thing guys, we are all Bengalis. Now we are giving turmeric. Also known as haldi.
সরে যা
Now we gave water to the besan. Now we will mix it.
with some corn flour.
Now we are adding
শেপ মানে প্রধান
a few quantity of
corn flour.
corn flour. Yes.
Make it paste.
Making paste. There's our chicken, wrist, everything.
ওরে আন্ডা
Now we need 1 egg.
To be broken out.
কিন্তু এইবার দে
Check it guys. It is not a plastic bean. Plastic egg.
চাপ দে জোর করে না
Now we are mixing the egg. Now one more egg. Guys, you can give at least 2 eggs. Not more than 2 eggs.
Now you can give more than 2 eggs when quantity will be more.
It will look like this.
And throw it in the dustbin.
এখানে
Looking yummy.
আগে কি দিয়েছি আগে
Now do this.
So,
first piece of
guys, this is the demo. You have to make it like this. First capsicum, then onion,
then chicken,
chicken,
then capsicum, then onion,
then chicken, then 2 pieces of onion, and then capsicum.
লাগা ক্যাপসিকাম লাগা
These are the few chickens that we made in 2 hours. We 3 of us made it. Now we'll deep fry the chicken and add it that besan mixture in the chicken and deep fry it. After deep frying, it will look like this. After showing this, we end our video. So please guys like, comment and hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.